problem, this is partial fraction topic problem. A given one rational function and corresponding answer is asking. Here see, if you observe here see, if you write partial fractions to first, that is what is a rational function. This is a x square plus 1 divided by x square plus 4 into x minus 2. This is our rational function. In denominator it's having a linear factor and quadratic factor. This quadratic factor can't express as a linear factor. That's why the corresponding partial fraction for this quadratic factor is a capital AX plus B divided by x square plus 4. And this is a linear factor, the corresponding partial fraction for a constant, any constant you can take. I am taking c divided by x minus 2. This is the rules to write partial fraction. Actually, here the a and b and c are going to be unknowns. You have to see the values of these unknowns. That is asking indirectly given the options. If you see here two factors are there. Here also in each and every option you are going to get these two factors only. But these corresponding values are going to be different. If you check here, it is fun x minus 10. First option it is going to be 5 by 4. Here 5 by 8. Here 5 by 8. Here 5 only. Different value is there. That's why first I will find a c value. Here whenever if you are having a linear factors, you can say that linear factors directly. Factor corresponding value we can say directly. Quadratic factor we can't say directly. To say linear factor corresponding answer directly, simply what we are doing means simply we are eliminating this linear factor, that is x minus 2, substituting where it is eliminating. It is eliminated x equals to 2. It is eliminated at x equal to 2. That x equal to 2, after eliminating x minus 2, remaining function x square plus 1 divided by x square plus 4, that is going to be our c. That is c value is nothing but x square plus 1 divided by x square plus 1 divided by x square plus 4, where indirectly where x equal to 2. If you substitute 2 here, what you are going to get here? 2, if you substitute 2 square, that is 4 plus 1, 5 divided by 2 square, 4 plus 4, that is going to be 8. This is going to be your c. The value of c is going to be your 5 by 8. If you check in the first option, it is 5 by 4. In second option, 5 by 8. In third option, also 5 by 8. Means maybe second option and the third option. Based upon that, if you find one more value, you are going to get here see I am finding here remaining these values a and b. Will say a and b, but by getting one value only you can decide which one which option, the either 2 or either 3 is going to be correct, we can say. But I am finding a and b both also, but first I will find b value. How means here see, here you find it c value, means indirectly here we having 3 unknowns. To say 3 unknowns, 3 equations required, but we can say linear factor corresponding answer directly by using shortcut. This is going to be say cover up method. Cover up method. What we are doing, what we are covering means whatever the value is there, just we want that we are covering up. Based upon this indirectly cover up method, we eliminated this and substituted the value where it is eliminated. That is indirectly x minus 2 equal to 0. From there x equal to 2. By covering x minus 2, whatever the remaining function is there, there we substituted x equal to 2. Based upon that you got. That is, this is shortcut. And remaining value also we are saying here in now this equation. In this equation c is given. Indirectly c you got. That means only 2 unknowns, that is a and b. To say 2 unknowns, 2 equations are required. Just what I am doing means I am taking one value. I am taking one value, that is x equal to I am taking 0. In this equation, equation number 1, if you take equation number 1, substituting x equal to 0 in equation number 1. Now substitute x equal to 0 in this, wherever x is there, they substitute 0. That is 0 plus 1, that is 1 divided by 0 plus 4, 4 into 0 minus 2, that is nothing but minus 2 equals to a into 0, that is 0 plus b, 0 plus b divided by 0 plus 4, that is nothing but 4. Next, plus c value is going to be plus 5 by 8 divided by 0 minus 2, that is going to be minus 2. If you simplify, then you will get b, that is a minus 1 by 8 equal to b by 4 minus, that is nothing but 5 by 16. If you take 5 by 16 this side, it's going to be plus 5 by 16, that is a 5 by 16 minus 1 by 8 equal to b by 4. Now if you simplify indirectly, we can take LCM as a is nothing but 16, that is a 5 minus 2. Why? Because 8 to the, that is nothing but 3 by 16, 3 by 16, that is 4 to the 4 4 the, it going to be, that is nothing but b value is going to be b value equal to 3 by 4. After finding a value, we will decide which option is going to be correct. Now I am finding a value by checking one more value, that is I am checking x equal to, already checking here 0, that's why I am checking x equals to 1 in once again in equation number 1. Now substitute x equal to 1, that is 1 plus 1 is nothing but 2 divided by 1 plus 4, that is nothing but 5 into my 1 minus 2, that is minus 1 equal to here a plus b divided by 1 plus 4, that is nothing but 5 plus c equal to 5 by 8 divided by 1 minus 2 is nothing but minus 1, right? B also we can substitute here. This is a minus 2 by 5. I am checking this one, this is minus, it's going to be plus 5 by 8. Next, nothing but a plus b equal to 3 by 4 divided by 5. Now simplify, then you will get an answer. Here I am doing here, right? That is, if you take an LCM here, is nothing but 25 minus 8 to the 16 divided by 40 equals to a plus 3 by 4 divided by 5 8s once again here 16 minus 25 minus 16 9 by 8 into, that is if I take this value, this 3 by 4 this side, minus 3 by 4 equal to a. If you get the value of a here, I am writing here, that is a value, that is indirectly LCM is going to be 8. 9 minus 6 is nothing but 2. 9 minus antena 8, LCM is going to be 8 here. 9 minus 2 4 that is nothing but 9 here 9 divided by 8, 9 minus 6 equals to a, that is 3 by 8 equal to a value 3 by 8, b value 3 by 4, c value 5 by 8. Here 5 by 8 is there, here 5 by 8 is there, that is you should have a value 3 by 8 means a value 3 by 8 plus 6 by 8 is nothing but 3 by 4. Here if you write indirectly in the options, if you write in this question, that is answer is going to be a equal to 3 by 8 x plus b value 3 by 4 divided by x square plus 4 plus 5 by 8 divided by x minus 2. That is here 3 by 4 is there, 6 by 4. It's not going to be a correct one. Why? Because here x quotient is going to be 3 by 4, but here 3 by 8. That's why the answer is going to be third one. Simply what we done means indirectly first we find a linear factor, then after by taking the values, by substituting we are getting by simplification only, then you will get, but be careful by doing simplifications here. Okay, let's see other problem. Let's see, this problem is a basic problem based upon logarithmic function is given. He given a, b, c values and also is asking log 63 140. By using this 63 140 we can't separate this ABC. In these options we having some values. Here we having 2AC and 1, and each and every numerator we having 2AC and 1. It is a summation or subtraction. In denominator we having 2C and ABC and 1. In summation, here subtraction. We will get a relation of this one. What is going to be? We will simplify these values. Then after we will go to problem. That is log 63 140. If you are getting or not, we will see. We'll check. Right now, Here see, to before that, I am going to give a formula here, that is a log a base b equals to, we can write a log a base e into log e base b. Indirectly we are changing the base into e, b to e we are changing, you are going to get. And also we can write this one as a log a base e divided by log b base e. Here the bases are equal, the values a and b. Log a base b can be written as log a by log b. The base is going to be. Here also we can write log a base e into log e base b. అంటే ఇక్కడ ఏ వాల్యూ ఏదైతే ఉందో indirectly eliminating, that's you are going to get. Not only e, we can write for log a base b as we can convert this as into other value log a. For suppose if I am writing 2 here, that is log 2 base b we have to write. If you are writing any value here, that is not only 2, if you are writing here other value, you have to write here other value, that is I am writing c as a formula. That is, and so we can write log a base c divided by log b base c. అంటే c అనే వాల్యూ కూడా కన్వర్ట్ చేయొచ్చు. నౌ దిస్ ఈజ్ అవర్ ఫార్ములా, రైట్, బై యూజింగ్ దీస్ ఫార్ములాస్. అండ్ ఆల్సో మోర్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు going to get, we'll discuss when we are getting, right? Here see, I am having a 2 AC. For that I am writing AC first. A is nothing but log 3 base 2 into C is nothing but log 2 base 7. Now see here, like this. Here we are having other value 2. Same, log 3 base 2, log 2 base 7. Log a base c, log c base b. Means indirectly these values are going to get. Same value is going to be cancelled. Same thing, log 3 base 7. I want from here 2ac. 2ac is nothing but 2 into log 3 base 7. See, we are having formula here, log a power m equal to m into log a. If base is anything, you can write m into log a is nothing but a power m. From here, this is going to be log 3 square base 7, that is nothing but log 9 base 7. Log 9 base 7. Okay, right. Next we'll see other relations here, that is in denominator we'll take, that is first I am writing 2c. 2 into c is nothing but log 2 base 7. From same thing, from this one log a power m equal to m into log a, from there we can write this is 2 square log 4 base 7. The base is going to be 7 here only, right? Next I am writing abc. I am writing abc. A value is going to be log 3 base 2 into log 5 base 3 into log 2 base 7. From these two, here see log 3 base 2, log 5 base 3, the base indirectly these values are equal. What remaining you will get 5 and 2, that is going to be log 5 base 2 into log 2 base 7. Here the base indirectly, see this is 2, here also 2, you are going to get log 5 base 7. Here also base 7, here also base 7. From here I am writing 1 plus abc, not 1, right? 2c, right? Anything, right? No problem. That is 2c plus abc plus 1. I am taking this one, right? First we'll check this, right? That is always here the formula, that is indirectly I am writing here log m plus log n always is going to be log mn. If you are in subtraction, log m minus log n equal log m by n you will get, but here in summation only, that's why I am writing, that is 2c is nothing but log 4 base 7, abc is nothing but log 5 base 7 plus log 5 base 7. Base 7 only I am writing as a 1, that is always 1 indirectly. Base e log e base e is same, log 7 base 7. If both are going to be equal, then answer is going to be like this. If you write log 7 base 7, log 7 by log 7 is going to be cancelled, that is going to be 1. Same thing. Here the base is going to be 7. If there is in summation, we can write multiplication as a multiplication, that is log 4 into 5 into 7 base 7. That is going to be what? 4 5s are 20, 27s are 140. Log 140 base 7. Here you got 140. See here. And here 2c is nothing but log 9 base 7. If you 9 is there, that's why I am taking here. I am taking a 1 plus 2ac I am writing here. That is going to be log, here base is 7, that's why I am writing 7, base 7 log plus 9 base 7 log m plus log n log mn, that is log 9 into 7 is nothing but 63 log 63 base 7. If you divide this one with this one, that is nothing but here it is plus, in denominator also plus, that is going to be log 63 base 7 divided by log 140 base 7 is nothing but what? If the bases are equal, we can write log 63 base 140. This is going to be our question. That's why the answer is going to be this one. Simply by cross checking the options we are getting the basic indirectly. How you are getting, if you know whatever you require here 2ac, if you write speedily, you are going to get an answer directly, easily. Like, let's see other problem. Let's see this problem. This is trigonometry problem. See here you have got cos 2 pi by 7 plus cos 4 pi by 7 plus cos 6 pi by 7. Pi is nothing but 180 degrees. Here what I am doing means I am checking first of all question, that is cos 2 pi by 7 plus cos 4 pi by 7 plus cos 6 pi by 7. Just I am multiplying this total function with 2 sin pi by 7. If I multiply this inside, that is, it's going to be for your denominator, that was only 1 divided by, that is nothing but 2 sin pi by 7 only, into, I'm multiplying 2 sin pi by 7 inside, this having 3 values, it's going to be multiplied with 3 values, that is 2 into sin pi by 7 into cos 2 pi by 7 plus 2 sin pi by 7 into cos 4 pi by 7 plus 2 sin pi by 7 into cos 6 pi by 7. From here see less. We have a formula in trigonometry, that is summation terms into product terms or product terms into summation term, transformation topic. From there we have one formula, that is what 2 sin A cos B equals to, this multiplication terms I am converting to summation terms, that is sin of A plus B plus sin of A minus B. We can write cos A sin B, that is going to be different formula. Here I am writing sin A cos B, just whatever sin value is there, just I am taking A cos value as a B. From this formula I am modifying this equation, that is going to be 1 by 2 sin pi by 7, 2 sin pi by 7 into 2 sin A cos B. Sin A equal to pi by 7, B equal to 2 pi by 7, that is sin of pi by 7 plus 2 pi by 7 is nothing but 3 pi by 7 plus sin of pi by 7 minus 2 pi by 7 minus pi by 7. 1 pi nunchi 2 pi vellipote same minus you will get, plus once again 2 sin A cos B, A equal to pi by 7 now, B equal to 4 pi by 7. Now substitute here sin of pi plus 4 pi, 5 pi by 7 plus sin of pi by 7 minus 4 by 7 minus 3 pi by 7 plus here in place of A pi by 7, in place of B 6 pi by 7. Now once again sin of 7 pi by 7, 7 pi by 7. Why? Because pi plus 6 pi. Next plus sin of minus 5 pi by 7. Now simplify, that is always sin of minus theta is going to be always sin of minus theta is going to be minus sin theta. From here just I am writing here having minus, here having minus, here having minus, I am writing those, that is 1 by 2 sin pi by 7 into sin 3 pi by 7 minus sin pi by 7 plus sin 5 pi by 7, it's going to be minus sin 3 pi by 7 plus sin, it's going to be pi, 7 get cancelled, minus sin 5 pi by 7. Why? Because minus of theta, it's going to be plus, it's going to be, let's see, plus 3 pi by 7 sin pi by 7 minus sin 3 pi by 7 is going to be plus sin 5 by 7, it's going to be cancelled. That is going to be our simplified answer is going to be, that is going to be 1 by 2 sin pi by 7 minus sin pi by 7, remaining one minus sin pi by 7. Sin 180 degrees always, it is only, it's cancel, it's cancel, it's cancel, it's cancel, only sin pi always is going to be 0. Now sin pi by 7, sin pi by 7 also cancel. The answer is going to be simply what? Minus 1 by 2. Inside you having minus into that value, it's going to be minus 1 by 2. This is the solution of this problem. Simply if you multiply and divide with this one, you are going to get an answer. Okay, let's see other problem.